Hello and welcome back to English Idea. This is Rim Alam and today we will practice how to describe an image for the Duolingo English exam. But before I proceed with my today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment and let us know your thoughts and queries, and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Watch till the end to get tips and tricks for Duolingo English exam. In this video, I'll be describing 5 images, and at the end of the video, I'll be giving 5 more images for you all to describe and let us know in the comments section. Image number 1. This is an image of an owl who is sitting on a branch of a tree. The owl is out in the wild. Image number 2. This is a picture of a street full of yellow-colored taxi and cars parked on both sides of the road. Image number 3. This picture shows a family of 4 walking on a beach at late noon, and they all are wearing beach outfits. Image number 4. This is a picture of a young lady sitting on a sofa and wearing wireless headphones while using her phone. She's smiling at her phone. I think she's having a good time. Image number 5. This image depicts a group of adults giving high five together outside of their institution. They all look very cheerful. We can assume they are classmates. I hope you have seen and understood how I described those images. Now I will be sharing some tips with you to develop your image description for Duolingo English exam. Tip number 1. Try to get the overview of the picture. Tip number 2. Do not describe every little thing in the image. Tip number 3. Try to say at least 3 sentences and do not label. Tip number 4. Follow the same structure to write and speak for image description. I have a video specifically on image description with more details. The link will be given in the description below. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting and like this video, share it with your friends, comment and subscribe to our channel.